Here's what a $6.9 million multifamily investment can buy you and your partners on the East Coast. My name is Altay Uzun, founder of the Uzun Group of Marcus & Millichap. This is my partner, Justin Ferguson, and we're going to show you today a great community in one of the fastest rising submarkets of Virginia.
Imagine owning in a thriving, picturesque coastal community known for its strategic location, unparalleled lifestyle amenities, and robust economy. The Triton Portfolio offers just that and more. Norfolk is a pivotal economic and cultural hub in the Hampton Roads, home to over 1.7 million people. The city's diverse economy, anchored by major military installations such as the Naval Station Norfolk, the largest naval base in the world, ensures a steady demand for rental properties. Additionally, Norfolk is a center for healthcare, education, technology, contributing to the region's growth and stability. Living in Ocean View and Ghent offers residents an exceptional quality of life. The areas are known for their beautiful parks, vibrant art scene, diverse dining options, and numerous recreational activities. From the Ocean View Fishing Pier to the trendy boutiques in Ghent, there's something for everyone.
This deal has a cap rate of 6.3%. It's important to mention that the sellers just completed a $2 million immaculate renovation to the portfolio, which includes interiors, exteriors, landscaping, mechanicals, the full works, making this portfolio truly turnkey and headache-free for the next owner. Reach out today to schedule a tour with our team. This asset allows you the opportunity to generate an estimated $150,000 of cash flow after all debt and expenses, and gives you the opportunity to invest in a community on the rise.